Good day, classmates. We have our problem f minus b of 3x plus 2 minus h of 2x plus 5. Find the value of f minus b minus h if the value of f of x is 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 15, and our g of x is 6x squared minus 5x minus 1, while our h of x is equal to 7x plus 8. So the first step we're going to do is, of course, we're going to evaluate and substitute the value of 3x plus 2 to the variable of our f of x. So that would be f of 3x plus 2 is equal to 2 times 3x plus 2 cubed plus 3 times 3x plus 2 squared plus 2 times 3x plus 2 minus 15. Now that is our value. Now we are going to solve for the exponent first. That will be 2 times 3 cubed is equal to 27. Copy the variable and cube it also. Plus 2 cubed is equal to 8. Plus 3 times 3 squared is equal to 9x squared. Plus 2 squared is equal to 4. Now we are going to copy this and solve for later. Now we are done for the exponents. We are going to solve now the multiplication. So 27x times 2 is equal to 54x, copy the exponent 3, while 8 times 2 is 16, plus 9x squared plus times 3 is just simply 27x squared. 3 times 4 is equal to 12, plus 2 times 3 is equal to 6x plus 2 times 2 is equal to 4, copy 15. And then we are going to bring down and arrange it in decreasing order. 54x cubed plus 27x squared plus 6x. We are going to copy this without variables and exponents, plus 16x, plus 16 rather, plus 12 plus 4 minus 15. Now we are done here, and we are going to solve for the like terms. 54x cubed, just bring down those who doesn't have like terms or similar terms and exponents. 6x plus 16 times 12 is equal to 28, plus 4 is equal to 32, minus 15 is equal to 70, plus 17. And that would be our value for our f of 3x plus 2. So the next thing we are going to solve and find is the value of g of 3x plus 2. G of 3x plus 2, let us substitute. So our g of x is equal to 6x squared minus 5x minus 1. That is simply 6 times 3x plus 2 squared minus 5 times 3x plus 2 minus 1. Now we are going to, of course, solve for the exponents first. 6 because of the rules of Peña, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, 3x times itself is equal to 9x squared plus 2 times 2 is equal to 4, plus 2 squared is equal to 4. Copy the sign, minus, bring down those who doesn't have exponent to solve for later. Now we are going to multiply. 9 times 6 is 54, copy the exponent and variable, plus 6 times 4 is 24, minus 5 times 3, 15x, copy the variable x, plus 5 times 2, minus, because our operation is subtraction here. Negative 5 times 2 is equal to negative 10, copy negative 1. Next would be arrange it and solve for the remaining values. 54x squared plus, minus 15x plus, what is 24 minus 10? Of course, it is 14. Minus 1, 30. And that would be our value of g of 3x plus 2. Now that we have found the value of f of 3x plus 2 and g of 3x plus 2, we now have to evaluate the value of h of x which is h of 2x plus 5. So that would be h of 2x plus 5. Our value is 7x plus 8. We have to substitute 7 times 2x plus 5 plus 8. Now multiply. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Copy the variable x, plus 7 times 5 is equal to 35 plus 8. We are going to solve for 35 plus 8. That would be 14x plus 35 plus 8 is equal to 43. And that would be our value for h of x. Of course, we are going to perform the operations. Okay, let us write this down first. Our h of 2x plus 5 is 14x plus 43. We are done here. We are going to perform the operation for f minus g, which is subtraction. Copy 54x cubed plus 27x squared plus 6x plus 17. We are going to copy this also, the value of g of x, and change all the signs into its opposite signs. So the positives will be negatives and the negatives will be positives. Let us align this so that we know where it would be. Minus 54x squared. So the subtraction, the negative sign will be positive. That will be plus 15x. And this positive sign, of course, would be negative. So minus 13. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is, of course, subtract and perform the operations needed. So 17 minus 13 is equal to 4. Copy the sign of the higher value, plus 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. Bring down the variable x and copy the sign because same sign added here. Now 27 minus 54 is of course negative 27. Copy the value, the variable 27x squared, and bring down 54x cubed. This is the value of f minus g. So our second operation is of course subtraction, which we can find here. We are going to subtract the value of h of 2x plus 5 to 54x squared, x cubed minus 27x squared plus 21x plus 4. Okay, now let's perform this directly. This is the value 14x plus 43. We are going to change its to opposite sign. That will be minus 40x and minus 43. Now let us perform the operations needed. Negative 43 plus 4 is equal to negative 39. Negative 14 plus 21. So that will be copy the sign of the higher value plus 7x. Copy the variable and bring down these two. Minus 27x squared plus 54x cubed. Now our value for f minus g of 3x plus 2 minus h of 2x plus 5 is 54x cubed minus 27x squared plus 7x minus 39. Thank you for watching.